Hello my loves, in today's video I'm sharing with you some modest fashion looks for vacation. I really wanted to show you some more like family friendly options for traveling, but you can still feel very feminine and cute in them. I'm really excited about these outfits. In fact, I want to dive right into them. So I just want you to know that these are more of like outfit formulas. I want you to be able to recreate them with things that you may already own in your closet or a few new pieces that you can pick up for your summer wardrobe. Let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comments below, and let's get started with outfit number one. For the first outfit, I wanted to share with you a modest swimwear option. I know how hard it is to find modest swimsuits. In fact, this is the most popular topic on my website. So I was very excited to share an outfit that you could wear to the beach where you can still feel feminine and modest in. When it comes to swimwear, I just prefer not to wear a bikini bottom and also to avoid cleavage if I can. So this swimsuit from Cupshe is perfect. Since 2015, Cupshe has built a community based around confidence, comfort, and style. They have swimsuits that are made with fabrics to flatter different body types, and their sizes range from extra small to 4X. They not only have really cute swimsuits and dresses, but they also have a lot of different clothing and accessories that I think would be good additions to add to your summer wardrobe or also like to your vacation wardrobe. And all their pieces are very affordable. Like honestly, I feel like for the quality of the pieces that I've picked out and then the price, you're kind of getting a steal. Most of their items are under $30, and they also sell their bikinis and their bikini like bottoms separately. So that means that if you need a different size and you do top or bottom, and for me I'm an inverted triangle, so technically I wear like a bigger size on the top than I do bottom. You don't have to worry about getting a set. You can get two separates that fit you perfectly. So the swimsuit that I have, I absolutely love for the pattern, the style. I love the little ruffle detail, and as I mentioned before, the quality is very nice. I'm very like honestly impressed for this, especially for the price that I got it at. I'm really excited to share with you guys Cupshe because I feel like you're going to find something that you like on the website. In fact, I wanted to make it a little easier for you, and I did create a little guide with some more like modest fashion options to choose from for swimwear to help you look through the website. And to finish off this outfit, I did add this cute little swim skirt. I got this from Amazon, and I pretty much just throw it over any of my one-piece swimsuits because I feel like it's the perfect way to finish off the look. I love how the white works with the colors in this swimsuit as well, and I will link this below too because I do think that this is a really good kind of like modest fashion hack for vacation. If you're wearing like a bikini bottom or you're wearing something like a one piece like this, you can just throw over like a swim skirt. And Cupshe does have a lot of different swim skirt options as well that you can choose from. I do have a discount with them that I'm really excited to share too. It's 15% off your purchase, and the details will be in the description bar below. But to finish off this particular outfit, I would definitely just add on like some sandals or slides, and then of course a straw bag, and that will complete my little modest beach outfit. The second outfit offers complete coverage. I absolutely love this outfit for a hot summer day where I'm going to be in the sun a lot. Because I get sunburned very easily, I prefer to be completely covered on days like that just to make sure I'm protecting my skin. So I love the fact that I can still feel very chic in this outfit and also very cool because of the fabrics that I'm going with. A linen set is great because it's still very breathable, but you can still wear like long sleeves or even like longer pants. You can also switch up this outfit if you want. Instead of the long sleeve shirt, you could go for like a tank top with a linen pants, or you can wear the same top and then like linen shorts. So you can do a lot. I'm also going to put on the screen another kind of inspiration that I had for this outfit idea. Just some type of linen matching set would look really nice as well for the summertime. But this is what I had to work with, and these are the two pieces that I bring a lot on different vacations. Last year we went to a couple kind of like tropical places during the summer and even into like September, and these were two pieces that I wore a lot on all of those trips. So this is definitely a vacation worthy outfit combination, and I think what helps make this look perfect for the summertime is honestly the accessories. So I've got on those slides that I love wearing in the summer, and then I've added my little straw bag. I like how the white brings out the white of the top, and I feel like that really ties the whole look together and makes this perfect for a summer vacation. So for this outfit, I wanted to share with you kind of a little fashion tip that I do to dress modestly in the summertime. Usually if one area is exposed, I try to make sure the rest is covered. For example, with this outfit, I have this beach cover up that's a little bit more on the mini length. So I love the fact that I have my arms covered. I just feel like it's a little bit more balanced than if I had like a strapless cover and then also it was like a mini length dress. So I love this particular outfit for a day at the resort. So I would pair like maybe a swimsuit underneath this cover up. This cover up is from Cupshe and I love the intricate design here, and I just love how easy and really lightweight it is. It's perfect for a vacation trip. This would make a good beach cover up as it is, or you could actually wear this as even a dress or a tunic. So it's very versatile. I finished off the outfit with some regular summer accessories. I have my little sunglasses here, and then I've added my cute little straw bag, and of course I'm just gonna put on those sliding sandals again. The next outfit combination is a fitted top and a long maxi or midi skirt. This is a foolproof modest vacation outfit, and you can really style it up to your liking. For example, you don't have to have your arms out like this. With this little bodysuit I have on from Abercrombie, you can definitely go for like a short sleeve or even like a long sleeve linen top would work really well too. The key is to just have it a little bit more on the fitted side so it kind of balances out with the volume of the skirt. This skirt, can you believe it, is from Walmart. I cannot believe the quality. Like, it's so well made. It's got a lining on the inside. It's a column style, which I really like. I like the fact that it doesn't necessarily flare out like on my other skirts, but it also does not really like bodycon or tight. It's just like the perfect kind of fit. It's very comfortable, and I thought that it would be perfect for a vacation wardrobe because of the vibrant colors. You can also get this print in, like, I think they had a dress and a top and even like matching sets for like your daughter. So I don't know, you can definitely mix it up, but I thought that this would be a perfect addition to my summer wardrobe and also perfect for a vacation. I really love this look for a night out, so I decided to pair it with a nice cute little pair of heels. I got these metallic heels from Nordstrom Rack and I absolutely love them. They dress up all my outfits, and I think that yes, I can wear this for day with sandals, but with the heels it definitely makes for a perfect night out look. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of today's video. Don't forget that you can use my discount code with Cupshe for 15% off your purchase if you want some new items for your vacation or your summer wardrobe. I want to thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!